Hi folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. We're going to talk about famine. Already, 16 countries in the world has been affected by a cyber attack. And I don't care who started it or where it comes from. We don't care. What's the main problem is a lot of places cannot get food. All right? You should have, right now, stockpile in America. Okay? Other countries already gave out warnings, like the Philippines, Japan, and South Korea. You better stockpile of ready-to-eat foods. Japanese are always prepared of earthquakes, typhoons, you name it. Not a problem for them. Other countries, we don't know what the hell they're doing. Okay? Korea follows the same thing as Japanese. Philippines, 50-50. Poland, who knows? You say a lot of beans. Fine. Then somebody will be throwing a can of bean at you. Now, you have to understand, folks, this is a worldwide famine. A lot of people don't understand. If America's agricultural system for food processing is messed up, and we know who, CCP, you affect the entire world. Why? Because China wants to invade Africa and take their resources. Best way to do it, kill people, starve them out. So who's the biggest food producer in the world right now? America. You mess up with their food production, you screw up half of Africa starving to death. Also half of Europe. Because a lot of people don't understand. A lot of countries cannot produce enough food to feed itself. Okay? So this is why I keep telling people, my group's always harping, get a garden going. Learn how to grow food. Even if it's a patio garden, you better think ahead. Learn how to forage. Learn how to plant secret gardens. Learn how to expand your garden spaces. A lot of people aren't that smart. They're sitting in the playing video games in front of the TV screen. I wouldn't do that TV screen, play music, probably watch a video or two or a movie, catch a little news, maybe turn on the video fireplace. Most of the time I'm reading and doing paperwork. So this is a little hint and tip for you today. We're going to have this a little talk. This is a worldwide famine. Okay? Right now, this summer, a lot of you are going to experience. I tell people if you're in the central states and the Midwest, you are feeling the bite now. Stock up, put away, get the garden going. Okay? This is for worldwide famine. Starvation series, worldwide famine. And a lot of you people are like, huh? Or duh? Can I buy clothes? No. Okay? This is worldwide starvation. Okay? Right now, 16 countries are affected. Around the world right now, over certain areas I figured out, by this and by other means, already 400,000 people have starved to death. 400,000. Okay? It's already affecting 1 million people right now. By end of this year, 1 billion people will be starving. Okay? That's when you mess up the dollar-a-day food system. They could survive. When you mess that out, they starve. Like, your money is worthless, so I can't eat on $1 a day? No. Then they die. Okay? This was not an idea. This is not the Great Reset. This is a fine idea for the Great Reset. Rich gets richer, poor dies. Starvation. I don't get my potato? No, you die. Okay? And a lot of you are retired in their hobbies, have no idea what's going on. You take a quiet look around you, and better understand. You're not going to get food if you're not prepared. I'll just go to the grocery store. What do you mean the banks and the grocery store are closed? You go look at the shopping malls, great malls. You see Keystone stores close up. That's a bad sign, folks. So think about it. How would you react when your grocery store and your bank close? It doesn't reopen. Shelves are empty, the bank's empty, you're screwed. Catch you later, folks. Enjoy your great reset. At least I'm dying. Later.